Hello guys, what is going on? Welcome back to a brand new video here on this channel, and this one is honestly going to be a little bit different compared to everything else that you guys have seen on this channel. I'm going to update you guys on what I have been buying in the last couple of days, the last couple of weeks, and you can tell by the title of this video, it's not just crypto. Listen guys, I've been diversifying my portfolio, which is something that I always recommend you guys do, which is why even when I was starting this channel, I didn't just name it crypto and then something else. Obviously, I built this channel on meme coins, but you need to understand that when it does come time, you do need to diversify your portfolio. They say a smart man doesn't keep his eggs in the same basket. So listen, if you guys are new, we're taking a deep dive into what I have been buying as of recently, and I'm going to be covering quite a bit of stocks. I'm covering a unique and a very special, very niche investment side as well, which a lot of you guys may have not known about myself, but stay tuned. We'll talk about it. If you guys are new, subscribe, because at 20K subs, we are still giving away $2,000 to one lucky person. With that being said, let's get right into today's video. Now, the reason that I'm even doing this, guys, is because the markets are just brutal right now, okay? The worst possible thing, I'll be completely honest with you guys, to do it right now is to be even accumulating meme coins. If you guys are in crypto right now, I think that there's two options. Either you're buying some Bitcoin or you're buying some Ethereum, right? The crash has started. Gold, which hit all-time highs of about 5,600, is down 8.2%, roughly $3 trillion wiped from market cap. Silver is down 12.2%, 760 billion gone. The S&P 500, which basically just tracks the top 500 companies in the US, is down 1.23%, $700 billion erased there. NASDAQ, which tracks the biggest non-financial companies in the US, the top 100 is down 2.5%, and $760 billion wiped there. Trillions of dollars vanished from metals and equities within the last hour. And again, guys, this is actually pretty scary stuff. And then obviously, I think 100 billion has been wiped out from the crypto market. Now, the fact that gold has wiped out more money in the last couple hours than the entire market cap of crypto should tell you exactly how early you are with Bitcoin and with Ethereum, okay? Just in Bitcoin falls under 82,000, $1.75 billion liquidated from the crypto market cap in the past 1.5 hours. Now, I think it's a little bit more than 1.5 billion if I'm not mistaken, because yeah, it was quite a bit, guys. Okay, quite a bit of money has been liquidated from the market. So as of right now, there are some things that I am buying to diversify my portfolio just a little bit more. And for those of you that don't know me, I do run a TikTok account where I talk about majority of my stocks that I like to buy. Actually, I talk about stocks, I talk about finance, credit cards, whatever it may be. If you guys want to go ahead and follow me on there, because I do post a little bit more often on there, make sure you guys do that. It's literally just Roshawn Silva. But yeah, if that's something that you guys are into, then hey, definitely go ahead and do that. So the first stock that I am buying is the Amazon stock. Okay, now Amazon, obviously I believe in them just because I use them every single day. Well, not every single day, but you guys know what I mean. Okay, as you can see, they have been in a steady up climb as well since 2023. They haven't done the best in the past year, kind of just moving stagnant, to be completely honest with you guys, but I do believe that they will pick things up this year, guys. I think that this company is in the right hands. I think that they're not going to slow down. I think that people are not going to stop using them. I know I obviously will not stop using Amazon, which is why I have added some into my portfolio. Now, the next thing that I've been buying is literally just ETFs. Now, you guys will probably not hear about this because this is in Canada, but I have been buying basically the S&P 500. It went down today. I added more to my position, and I've basically been buying something known as VFV, which basically tracks the S&P 500, but in Canada, inside of my TFSA, which is a tax-free savings account. I think the equivalent to that in America is like a Roth IRA. I don't exactly know. But this, again, right, in the last year, here, let me see. In the last year, it is up 7.9%. This thing, historically, the S&P is told to bring us, like 10% gains every single year, which is why I'm just, moving some funds that have in stable coins over to the stock market. So I've been buying VFV. I have also been buying something called xeqt. And xeqt, guys, this basically just tracks the global emerging market. So this gives you exposure to the US, Canada, Asia, Europe, and other emerging markets. And this thing has done very well in the last year, up 17.49%. Now, the reason I'm buying some of these assets, guys, is again, like I said, I'm diversifying my portfolio. I still do hold my biggest holdings are still in the crypto market, but I have a bunch of stable coins that I have just been letting sit in some of these decentralized wallets that I'm now moving over into this account to, potentially do something with it. I'm not buying any gold, I'm not buying any silver just because they are very close to all-time highs. So these are just some of the stuff that I have been buying. I've been buying very strongly into ETFs. ETFs, guys, are basically just a basket of stocks, right? It's more risk averse investing. So instead of tracking individual stocks or individual meme coins, you're just buying a basket that has all of these in there. And as soon as one is not performing as well, the basket will replace it with one that is better. So it's very hands off, guys, very couch potato type of investing. But that's exactly why I'm buying this, because in my stock portfolio, I want it to be as mindless as possible. Now, another thing that I have been buying, which is actually very interesting, maybe you guys will not understand this, but I have been accumulating some Pokemon cards, okay? This is actually very, very interesting. So this is the one that I have been buying. I got this Umbreon VMAX Ultra Art Secret. Now, this is insane, okay? This is one of the best Pokemon cards that are out there, and I got this one in a PSA 10, is one that I invested in. Let me see if I'm able to get rid of all the other prices here. Okay, so the price of this thing has literally just been going up as well. Okay, so I do see it as an investment. I've been buying some graded cards in the Pokemon sector as well, because if you guys didn't know, as a kid, I used to love Pokemon cards. And PSA 10 cards. I feel like having them is just as much as an investment as it is memorabilia for me. So if you guys want to see that, actually I have it right here, honestly. Let me show you guys right now. It's actually it's actually pretty cool, guys. I mean, just take a look, right? Like, this is sick. Look at this. In a PSA 10, like, this is, let me see if it'll focus. There we go. In a PSA 10, this thing is actually pretty stinking cool, guys. So that's just about what I've been buying. And in terms of crypto, one that I am obviously keeping a very close eye on, if it drops into a certain region, I will be accumulating very heavily, is Ethereum. I told you guys, if this dips below, well, it is dangerously close to 2,700. If it gets close to 26, 25, guys, I will be accumulating some more Ethereum as well. You guys know me, Ethereum is my biggest hedge, and it's a project that I believe is going to do the best in terms of my portfolio. I think that Ethereum going to 10K one day is inevitable, and I think that will happen, which is why I would be buying aggressively. But at the same time, I am diversifying, getting into stocks, getting into these random niche hobbies as well, just because, hey, it's my passion. I've made a good amount of money with crypto as well, so I'm able to buy things like this. Listen, guys, if you enjoyed this video, smash the like, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and if you want to know exactly what moves I make, whether it's in crypto, whether it's in stocks, whether it's in real estate, whether it's in Pokemon cards, join the Memecoin Mastery. Link will be down in the description. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Take care. Peace out, y'all.